Alright, picture this. You're tired of watching your hard-earned money sit in a low-interest savings account. You've heard whispers of investing, stocks, ETFs, and you're thinking, yeah, I want a piece of that. But then the question hits you like a ton of bricks. Where do you even start? How do you actually get into the world of investing without feeling like you're navigating a labyrinth blindfolded? If you're asking yourself, how do I open a new account with Questrade, you're in the right place. Because let's be real, opening a brokerage account can seem daunting. All the jargon, the forms, the potential for messing things up, it's enough to make anyone procrastinate. But trust me, once you understand the process, it's surprisingly straightforward. And Questrade, a popular Canadian online brokerage, makes it even easier. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why you might choose Questrade in the first place. They're known for their low fees, which is crucial when you're starting out. Every dollar you save on commissions is a dollar that can grow in your investments. They offer a wide range of investment options, from stocks and ETFs to mutual funds and options, giving you the flexibility to build a portfolio that suits your goals and risk tolerance. And their platform is user-friendly, with a solid mobile app, making it accessible even if you're not a financial whiz. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually open a Questrade account? Step 1. Head to the Questrade website. The first step is simple. Open your web browser and go to questrade.com. You'll be greeted with their homepage, which is usually clean and easy to navigate. Look for the Open an Account button, typically located prominently on the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be on your way. Step 2. Choose your account type. Here's where things get a little more specific. Questrade offers various account types, each designed for different investment goals and tax implications. The most common ones are Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, ideal for saving for retirement. RRSPs offer tax-deferred growth. Tax-free savings account, TFSA, another retirement savings option. TFSAs allow your investments to grow tax-free. Margin account, a non-registered account that allows you to borrow money from Questrade to invest. Registered Education Savings Plan, RESP, designed for saving for a child's education. Corporate account, for businesses looking to invest. For most beginners, an RRSP or TFSA is a great starting point. Decide which account type aligns with your financial goals. If you're unsure, Questrade provides helpful resources and explanations on their website. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Once you've selected your account type, you'll be directed to the online application form. This is where you'll provide your personal information, including your full name and date of birth, your social insurance number, SIN, your residential address, your contact information, phone number and email address, your employment information. Be prepared to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Questrade needs this to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. Step 4. Answer investment profile questions. This is a crucial step. Questrade will ask you a series of questions to assess your investment knowledge, risk tolerance, and financial goals. These questions help them understand your investment profile and ensure you're choosing investments that are suitable for you. What is your investment experience? What is your risk tolerance? What are your investment goals? What is your time horizon? Answer these questions honestly and thoughtfully. Don't try to portray yourself as a more experienced investor than you are. It's better to be conservative and start with a strategy that aligns with your comfort level. Step 5. Verify your identity. To comply with anti-money laundering regulations, Questrade requires you to verify your identity. This can typically be done electronically by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport, a utility bill or bank statement as proof of address. Questrade's online platform will guide you through the process of uploading these documents. Step 6. Fund your account. Once your application is approved and your identity is verified, you'll need to fund your account. Questrade offers several funding options, including electronic funds transfer, EFT, from your bank account, Wire transfer. Transferring an existing account from another brokerage. EFT is usually the easiest and most convenient option. You'll need to link your bank account to your Questrade account and specify the amount you want to transfer. Step 7. Start investing. Congratulations! Your Questrade account is now open and funded. You're ready to start investing. Now, you can begin exploring the platform, researching investments, and building your portfolio. Opening a Questrade account is a significant step towards taking control of your financial future. By following these steps and tips, you can navigate the process smoothly and start building your investment portfolio. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.